In this video, we show how to replace riser 4 in an R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove riser 4, disconnect the data cable and then lift it out of the system. To install riser 4, you'll line it with the system, lower it into place, press down, and then reconnect the cable. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.